Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about red light therapy and why I believe in it, especially for mature skin. And I'm going to introduce you to the Ulike Reglow LED face mask. I have been using this device at home and I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I often get comments and questions. How do you get such healthy glowing skin? Well, red light therapy is one of my secrets to healthy glowing skin at age 57. I love skincare and I love trying new devices, and I'm always looking for one that is effective and comfortable enough to wear on a regular basis at home. So when the brand reached out and asked if they could send me their Ulike Reglow LED face mask, I was curious and excited, and I said, heck yeah, I want to try it. So we're going to talk about my results. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and we're going to talk a little bit about red light therapy, about what it is and how it works. So what is red light therapy and why does it work? Red light therapy has been used for years in professional skincare to boost collagen, improve elasticity, and reduce fine lines. The Ulike Reglow LED mask delivers red, yellow, blue, and infrared light to give your skin multiple benefits, all from the comfort of your own home. You can see visible results in as little as 14 days for pigmentation, redness, and overall skin radiance, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles within 4 weeks of consistent use. Here is what makes the Ulike Reglow LED face mask special. It uses full face coverage with 360-degree mirror reflection technology, boosting irradiance by 77.4%. This ensures even coverage without missing any spots, giving a more effective treatment than traditional masks. It has optimized 1 centimeter spacing. This ensures even light distribution, avoiding overheating, irritation, and hygiene issues. The ergonomic D-shaped design provides a more comfortable wearing experience. Red light penetrates the skin and targets collagen production. Blue light targets acne-causing bacteria, and yellow light helps to even out tone and calm redness. This combination makes it a complete at-home treatment that adapts to your skin's needs. The mask has 4 modes: glow, firm, rejuvenate, and clear. So you can choose exactly what your skin needs that day. I usually wear it for about 10 minutes. It feels warm but not hot. The light is bright without being uncomfortable, and it is completely quiet. I can easily multitask or relax while using it. I love that I am getting professional grade light technology treatment in the comfort of my own home. What I love about the Ulike mask is its higher treatment energy. Unlike traditional beauty masks with a single light slot, this one has advanced 1 slot 4 light technology and 272 light beads, giving more clinical level results from home. So you're going to get faster, deeper, and more effective skincare results. Even after just a few uses, I notice my skin looking fresher, more hydrated, and subtly brighter. I love how it can fit into my everyday routine and does not feel like a chore at all. I actually look forward to it. So let's talk a little bit about why red light therapy works. Red light therapy stimulates fibroblast activity in your skin, which helps to build collagen and elastin. This is why you see improvements in firmness, fine lines, and texture over time. The combination of red, blue, yellow, and infrared lights targets multiple concerns in one session, from wrinkles and sagging to redness and breakouts. This eliminates the need for 4 different devices. With full face coverage and higher energy output, the Ulike mask can lead to impressive results. After 4 weeks of continuous use, users have experienced a 97.1% reduction in fine lines and a 96.9% boost in skin firmness and smoothness, for a visibly rejuvenated complexion. Here are 3 important tips that you must know. The mask is not to be used with photosensitive skincare products. Sensitive skin needs to be tested under dermatologist supervision, and it is FDA approved and SGS certified. So real science, real results. So let's break down the 4 modes, and the first one we're going to talk about is glow. The red light stimulates collagen and the infrared light helps improve skin metabolism, which smooths roughness, reduces fine lines, and boosts skin firmness. So it targets dull, uneven skin tone and rough texture. So the firm mode, the red light stimulates collagen and the infrared light helps improve skin metabolism, which smooths roughness, reduces fine lines, and boosts skin's firmness. So it targets sagging skin, fine lines, and signs of aging. The rejuvenate mode, the yellow light calms inflammation while the red light promotes skin cell regeneration and healing, helping reduce redness and strengthen the skin's protective barrier. So it targets damaged skin barrier, redness from sensitivity, and seasonal skin irritation. And now the clear mode. The blue light fights acne and reduces inflammation, while the red light encourages collagen production to prevent breakouts and improve overall skin health. It targets oily skin, acne, and uneven texture. So let's talk about my results and my experience. Well, after a couple of weeks use, I feel that my skin feels smoother, it looks smoother, I think it looks clearer, and it has a subtle, healthy glow. I really appreciate that this particular mask is very comfortable to wear. I can, wear it relaxing. I like that I can wear it, while I'm doing chores because I like to multitask. I have definitely noticed a visible difference in my skin, and I really look forward to my 10-minute treatment because it's my time. I love the results, but you must know that consistency is key when it comes to red light therapy. So if you want to see the results, you do have to be consistent. And this mask, because it is comfortable, the design, I really feel that it is helping me to be consistent and get the results that I want. I've definitely noticed a reduction in the redness and pigmentation in my skin, and I do think that my fine lines and wrinkles are a little less noticeable, and the mask has been gentle and it hasn't caused any irritation. And I do have sensitive skin and I have mild rosacea and I have not had any issues using it. I also like the ritual aspect. I like using it in the evening. It just helps to make that break between, work day and now winding down before going to bed. And I look forward to that 10-minute of me quiet time where I can just zone out if I want to and just really meditate and relax. I do have some tips for you in order for you to get the best results. Number one is you have to be consistent. 10 minutes a day works the best, and I think we can all find 10 minutes in a day for ourselves. Number two is you want to clean your skin before using the mask, so you don't want to be wearing any makeup. Number three is I suggest starting with the mode that is going to target your biggest concern. So either glow, firm, rejuvenate, or clear. And number four is you want to protect your eyes. The Ulike Reglow LED mask comes with an eye-friendly shield, so there is no glare or eye strain. So if you follow these tips, you're going to see visible results faster, your routine is going to be safe, and it is going to be an effective treatment. So in summary, here are my final thoughts. If you are looking for an easy at-home treatment that is going to boost glow, firmness, and overall skin health, red light therapy is something that I do recommend and something that I do use. The Ulike Reglow LED mask has been a fantastic addition to my routine. It is comfortable, effective, and simple to use on a regular basis. With its glow, firm, rejuvenate, and clear modes, full face coverage, 360-degree mirror reflection, and higher energy output, you can personalize your treatment and target your skin's needs while achieving visible results in as little as 14 days. So if this is something that you're interested in, you don't want to miss out, I do have a special code. It's Cathy 25. The final price after the discount is $299, which is the lowest price of the year, and it will remain that during Black Friday. So if you want one, grab one because that's a really good price. I think this makes the perfect gift for a skincare lover or even for yourself. Treat yourself to healthy, youthful, glowing skin. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button. And thank you, Ulike Reglow, for sending me your LED face mask to try. I truly do love it, and I love the results that I have achieved while using it. You can find the link and the discount code in the description box and in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.